Door and hardware choices show up everywhere in a house, and, if you are not careful, they quietly become one of the largest surprise costs in a budget-friendly build. When you are trying to keep interior doors affordable, start by standardizing every opening so most doors are the same height, width, and thickness, which lets you buy in bulk and keeps labor simple. For a tight budget, choose hollow core molded doors with a smooth panel design and plan to paint them. They are light, easy to hang, and much cheaper than solid wood, yet they still look clean once painted. Pair those with simple standard lever sets in a common finish like brushed nickel or matte black, because common finishes are cheaper, easier to replace, and still look modern. Use builder-grade hinges bought in bulk, all in the same finish as your levers, and keep hinge sizes and corner shapes consistent across the house so you are not paying for variety that no one notices. For trim, pick painted medium-density fiberboard casing with a simple profile, such as a squared or slightly beveled edge, because it is cheaper than real wood, easy to cut, and hides joints well once caulked and painted. If you are building in phases, plan door reuse from the start by sizing openings the same so you can move a door from a secondary room into a higher priority area later when you upgrade. One big mistake is mixing too many styles and finishes, which makes the house look messy and forces you to buy small quantities of different hardware that cost more per piece. Pick one lever style, one hinge finish, one casing profile, and stick with it everywhere. Another common issue is insisting on solid core or solid wood doors everywhere for sound and feel, which can destroy a budget. Instead, use solid core only where it truly matters, like bedrooms near noisy spaces, and keep hollow core doors in closets and low traffic areas. A third problem is not coordinating doors, trim, and hardware with the paint plan, which leads to last-minute changes and rushed purchases. Decide early that everything related to doors will be a unified package with a shared color and finish, so you can shop slow, compare prices, and buy materials in larger, cheaper batches. BigHomeProjects.com helps us connect homeowners who want budget-friendly interior door packages with local contractors who know how to source and install cost-effective doors, hardware, and trim without sacrificing looks. We also give our community a place to discuss product choices, compare hardware options, and share real cost experiences, which helps both homeowners and contractors plan interior door budgets more confidently.